Still learning his tunes. He could actually chuck a sweaty, I think. There, he's tried then. Could we do? Listen to him. I probably could try chuck a sweaty at some point, you know.